Hey guys, how's it going? How to post pictures on Pinterest from iPhone. So make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Move along to the next step. Open up your own, Pinterest. And what you're gonna do in order to create a new picture or to add a new picture, just go ahead and click Create. And you're gonna see a pop-up window of 3 options. Just go ahead and click Pen. Basically, you're gonna be able to see your wallpaper. Just go ahead and select your photo, hit next at the top right, and now you can create a new post. You can add the title, the description, and the link for this pen. And then if you want to add it to your board, you could just go ahead and add it to your board or just keep it on your profile. And if you want to tag related topics, regards this post, just go ahead and do it. And here you're gonna see the advanced settings. If you want to allow comments or show similar products, you can just go ahead and do it. And basically after you finish, hit create at the bottom right corner, and now you just created your first post on Pinterest. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.